Hello everyone! Let's watch the eruption of the volcano, and today we will do it together. Baking soda, plastic bottle, food coloring, dishwashing liquid, plate, funnel, vinegar, spoon, foil. Everything is here. Let's do the experiment. Step 1. Create a volcano from foil. Step 2. Put baking soda in the bottle. Use the funnel to pour baking soda. 3 tablespoons baking soda. Step 3. Add food coloring. You can choose the color you like. Step 4. Put dishwashing liquid into the bottle. Step 5. Put vinegar in the bottle. Pay close attention to see what happens. I'm waiting for that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, an eruption! The volcano erupts. Hope you enjoy this experiment. Okay, that's all the time we spent in science today. See you again in the next time. Bye!